Hello and welcome to this lecture Install an Editor. The editor we will choose is the latest Sublime text version at this time. The link is shown in my browser. Depending on your operating system, you can choose the installation file. I work on a Windows operating system and will choose the 64-bit version. Once downloaded, click on the file and follow the steps in the wizard. Select your installation path. I will leave this default on Program Files Sublime Text 3. Just click 2 times Next, Install and then Finish. That's all. It is useful to pin Sublime Text as an icon on your taskbar to start up Sublime Text quickly. You can now start Sublime Text without additional features or plugins currently. In the next lecture, we will begin installing our plugins in our editor to enhance a better coding experience.